Now everything needs to be palletized, even napkins.
I'm Anne Ekberg. I'm responsible for brand and communications at Fiblon. Fiblon is a family-owned company. My father, Pertti Ekberg, established it in 1979. We manufacture napkins and cleaning wipes for professional use, as well as some in-flight items like headrest covers for airplanes, ferries and trains.
But it does not have to be palletized manually.
Hello, my name is Jari Vuori, a maintenance supervisor from Fiblon. We wanted to invest in this project because we needed to improve ergonomics and efficiency at work. Solution provided by Klinger Finland in collaboration with Intrex is very reliable, safe, compact and cost-effective. That's why we chose that.
What if we can help you improve your palletizing efficiency? We can. Intrex and Klinger Finland. EasyStack Palletizer for Fiblon.
Toimitimme Fiblonille avaimet käteen ratkaisuna 2 Intrexin yhteistyörobottilavausyksikköä auttamaan päivittäisessä tuotannossa ja parantamaan työergonomiaa.
Custom-engineered grippers ensure secure handling of unsealed cartons, eliminating the risk of product exposure. Designed for maximum reach, our lift system seamlessly adapts to high stacking requirements. Advanced control system allows quick adaptation to unexpected product types, making customization seamless. A fully modular system designed for flexibility. Easy to move, easy to integrate.
Olemme jatkuvassa yhteydessä asiakkaidemme kanssa varmistaaksemme jatkuvan kehittämisen niin laitteiston kuin toimintatapojen osalta. Toimittamamme Intrex-palentointiyksikön niin siirtäminen kuin ohjelmointi onnistuu tarvittaessa kaikilta käyttäjiltä. Pyrimme löytämään mahdollisimman helppokäyttöiset ratkaisut.
Our close collaboration with Klinger Finland allowed us to provide Fiblon with a fully turnkey, efficiency-boost palletizing system called EasyStack, ensuring a perfect fit for their production needs.
Fiblon improved their palletizing efficiency with EasyStack. What about you?